Hello friends and welcome back to Options to Get Rich. Today we are going to look at some of the trades which I have taken and some of the patterns which I am following to make money on a consistent basis. So let's look at the chart of Tata Motors right now, which is offering a good opportunity for the investors and traders at the time right now. Okay, now let's look here. What Tata Motors is doing is, just one second, I will use my drawing tools. So if I look here and I draw a horizontal line here, if you see, this is a horizontal line which Tata Motors have broken this week, and volumes are also decent on this breakout. Okay, now if we see, this is a range of roughly around 268 to 360. Okay, 268 to 360. So roughly around 80-90 points range what we have. So once this is broken out, the chart can what the pattern can do right now is, this is a weekly chart. Let me convert it into a daily chart for you. Okay, now this is a daily chart for you. Okay, so now if you see this in this daily chart, the stock was in this range for almost from the beginning of 2022, sorry 21, Jan 21, and it has broken this range this week. And what a beautiful breakout it has given on this range. So how many times it has taken resistance on this range? You see, one time, then two time, then three time, then fourth time, and on the fifth time this has broken this resistance. Okay, now once this is broken down resistance, now this will act as a support. Okay, so what I'm expecting going forward is, there are two three scenarios which can happen is, one is like the price can retrace back here, hit here, and then it can go up. This is one scenario which I am expecting. Second scenario is, the price can also go directly up from here. Okay, so as a trader, what you should do is, you can add certain position here, like suppose say you want to buy 100 shares, so you can add 25 or 50 shares right now at this point, and once it reaches here you can add the balance 50. Okay, and your stop loss should be this breakout candle, which has given you the breakout. Okay, so if I take my stop loss here, the stop loss comes to 341. In this case it comes to 341, so you should take a stop loss of 341 in closing basis. And so if you see, your risk is roughly around 20 to 30 points, but your reward is pretty handsome of 80 to 90 points at this point of time. One is this, the range which it has broken out, it has given a good basically breakout it has given already. Okay, so let's try to capitalize on that. Second, if you see that there is a cup which has been formed here. Okay, there is a cup which has been formed here, the rounding bottom of the price which you can see here. Now this also is a beautiful range it has broken down. Okay, I was not talking about this cup, I was talking of cup on a longer time horizon. So let's go back to weekly charts now. Let me remove these so that we can understand in a much better way. Okay, now this target which I am talking of 80 to 90, this is a short term target, but if you look at from a longer term perspective picture also, if you see, this is a cup which has been formed here. If you see from here, this is a cup which has been formed, and this cup's range has been broken. So in the longer run, you can see this cup pattern, whatever is below you are seeing, it will give similar range on the upside also. So from a long term perspective or a medium term perspective also, the stock is pretty good. So you can add Tata Motors without fear on the current breakout. Nothing to worry in Tata Motors. So your and it is also not only a cup, and it has also formed a cup and handle pattern. If you see, this is the cup and this is the handle. So it's a beautiful pattern, cup and handle pattern. So you can easily target this depth on the upside, you can target. Okay, now this is about Tata Motors, which I am very bullish on going forward. Okay, I was bullish it from this point itself, from here around 130 150 levels, and I have rided this vertical rally here. I have rided, and after that the stock has been in consolidation for almost 6 to 7 months or little more than that, and now the consolidation has given a breakout. Okay, now the stock is highly bullish, and let's look at another stock which I have traded recently is Nazara. Okay, let me first clear all the drawings for you so that it's easier for you to understand. Now, why I took the trade of Nazara, if you see, they, let me remove the volumes also, and let's see the range in Nazara here. This was the range which was formed in the initial after the IPO. The stock was trading in this range. Okay, now this range was broken here on this particular day, so I didn't added it here. I waited for a day, a couple of days. When it retested here on this particular day, I added here where you see here around 2045 2050 I added a small quantity, and I rided it, and I took target of this pattern, which was, this is, if you see, 2020 is the breakout zone, and 1429, so roughly around 500 points. So I rode, and around 2700 I booked my profits on this particular day. I missed this large candle. I missed this large candle, and why I missed that also I will tell you. Because if you see on the daily chart, if you see, the stock was moving in a range. Stock was moving like this in a range. If you see, it took first resistance here and came down. Second, it took resistance and it came down. Third time it took resistance here. My pattern target was met and it started coming back. So I thought that the stock may again go in a consolidation here after giving this target. But to my surprise, it gave a breakout. But I don't have anything to lose here because I was booking my profits. So I booked my profits. This is a missed profit. That's okay, because even now also the share can come down and I can add it back. But this is a good breakout which we have seen, and this is how you see the patterns targets are achieved. So this was a good nice pattern which you see here of around 500 700 points, which I could easily achieve. Okay, so that's all in this small video. So Tata Motors look good at this point of time. You can go ahead and add it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a good journey going ahead. Thank you so much.